Alright, good morning, y'all. I said I was gonna record us leaving to LA. I didn't tell her, but we're gonna leave to LA right now. Should be a fun weekend. We're actually gonna get some runs in out there in LA. Stop number one. We are in gonna hit the Grapevine. Boy Loves down to the I-54, I think. But car's doing good. Car's driving good. Car looks good. Car good. BMW good. Okay, bye. To LA, we're at the GTA server. You get it? We're here.
Why the fuck you love?
I'll put in some E85 finally, after being on 91 forever. Oh, I'm on E50 only, so half a tank. So put in the rest of the 85. Well, a little bit right under half, but car's still looking clean. I know there's some bugs and stuff on it, but be able to clean that out in a bit. So honestly, car's not too bad. We're gonna go to the observatory right now, kick it with my girl, so have some fun. Insert Interstellar here. Holy. Beautiful. Imagine an F-22 right here. Came to this little private car meet. NS2000, E90, GT3, RX-7. Look at this beautiful Evo. TPR, Haley, Honda. These boys. My car is tucked in a way because it doesn't look as good as these, but it is what it is. Guys, got the three fast guys out tonight. Got the Pure 500, 235, got the Pure 600, got the 240, and my little stock turbo N55. They're all putting in work, about to ask tonight. Let's see how this shit goes. Should be good runs. There are a lot of people out there. All right, so update from yesterday. The roll night didn't happen. So the gray 235 and my homie with the purple 235, the gray 240, they were gonna line up right as we're merging into the freeway. Cop out of nowhere, was right behind one of my homies. I guess he didn't see him. Pulled up next to the purple car. They were gonna race. They started racing, and then the cop was trailing me and them, right? Because they raced. I was behind them. I was trying to flash them. Texting my girl to let them know, hey, cops are literally right behind us. They were racing, so couldn't have done anything about it. So that happened. We didn't end up going to the road night because of that. But I mean, there is a car season chill today, so that one should be all F22s. I'll record that one. There's gonna be some runs in, so hopefully everything's good. The guys, they got their cars back, so anyways, that's what happened. We didn't go to the road night. I'll probably put like a little clip of what happened on our way there with the cop and everything.
Guys, he saw you guys race.
How was it?
Honestly, a 9.
A 9? Yeah. I got the strawberry matcha, and then we also got a matcha, what is it, matcha cookie?
Matcha cookie.
So good. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Fucked up my front lip. But the car still looks good. Stagger. Definitely recommend you guys should come. Alright, let's go to Bob's Market.
Fuel man, it's got a nasty hole. That's why you're unloading in third.
I told you we start.
That lengthen the injected pulse. Another millisecond, just tune the nose time and you'll run 9.
Watch your back. Watch your back. In a German world. one here, which is awesome. More road for us. Woo. It's so nice. There's so much road. It's a little overwhelming when you're driving it because you just get so concentrated. But this is pretty nice. First time up here. Comparing it to Big Sur, what do you think, babe? I almost fell, I know. Oops.
Oh.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to the F22 kart meet right now. Sorry, the bump right here. A good amount of us already on the way. We got most of them freaking F22s, and then a Supra, a big boost B58. So that thing sounds nuts. I hope I get to record it in person, which I will, if he does a pull. So I try to bait him. Anyways, we'll see you guys there. I'll probably do some rollers on the freeway of everyone. Yo, Josh, it's fucking ascended. Is that Faker? And 55 and 55 and 55 and 55 and 55. Good morning. It's the following day. We only got one run in with the M240. That was a pretty good run, to be honest. My car started misfiring though, top end. I think I'm having like a ignition issue. It's for sure my coil packs. I have the OEM ones on. I bought some upgraded ones, so I'll be installing those today. But if all goes well, I'm gonna be getting some new wheels. So I'm actually gonna go meet up with the bro in about an hour, and then go see if I can put them on. But you'll see what they are. We're gonna do a straight trade with some cash on my end because they're more expensive than mine, obviously. But yeah. All right, guys, just thought I'd give you a little recap of everything. Basically, made it home. Good 4.5 hour drive, 5 hours, you know, with the stops and everything, but it wasn't too bad. Honestly, the car made it. Car ran fine. It did have a misfire though when we were racing last night, which I'll show in the clips. Like after fourth gear, it kind of hit a wall and then would like hesitate. So that's that one. I replaced the coil packs right now though, so it has brand new Island Raceworks coil packs from the one and only. Got some RPF ones on here as well. The car is looking beautiful. I also got a carbon Alcantara e-brake from my friend as well. Pairs very well on the interior. Obviously need the display up there upgraded, but to show if you can see it, it is now blue. So those are the upgraded coil packs on here. The wheels, as I said, RPF ones, 18 by 8.5 plus 40 all around on some R888s. Right now it is hooking really well, surprisingly. So yeah, I haven't loaded my E50 custom, so I'll load that and then we'll see how that goes. But just wanted to say, you know, I appreciate everybody for watching the videos. It was very, very interesting weekend, least to say, but it was a very fun weekend. So I'm gonna finish the weekend off and rest, but I'll upload some more videos, maybe go back to LA soon. We have roll night coming up as well, so that should be fun. But to recap, the car did amazing. It looks amazing now with the RPF ones. I just washed it. Fitment is literally meticulous. I broke my lip, by the way. I broke it so bad. Yesterday I was washing, Saturday I was washing my car, and then I broke it on the way out. So need to order another one. I was gonna do paint match, might do black or carbon, so we'll see what we do next. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching, and we're good. Stock BMW. Just kidding, it's a sleeper. It's not a sleeper. Ooh, very nice. Kind of enjoying the roads.